What's up, everybody, for part two? I got the Santa Claus. That's the best thing I can ask for. I should try. I don't think I should try my luck on the Blizzard box again. Nah, who am I kidding? I gotta try it out. This is so crazy. Okay, guys. Since I don't think we're gonna get a chroma anyways, I guess I should start for a coin box. No, guys. If you guys like this, like the opening series, just tell me, guys. And I will be doing more of these openings. But if you guys don't like these, guys, you guys don't like these videos, you like me playing normal book of games where I play like Tower of Doom or Tower Defense. If you guys like those, leave a like, and then I'll try. Uh, okay, I'm gonna make a video about it. I'm gonna make more videos with the label on it. If you guys really actually like if you guys really like those games where I'm kind of like flustered. When I'm really flustered, guys, I normally shout, and you guys like me doing that. Really, I can't lie. A lot of people tend to like people shouting. I'm a big creep, but guys, look at this. I am so happy right now. You guys should know if you're those Wicked box collector that is just slowly see a legendary in front of your eyes. And like, this is heaven. And it's true, guys. Like, I have got all of these miraculously. Well, not really all miraculously. I got the baby shark just 2 times, and I got one. That is so crazy, guys. It's a miracle. And I got this for 3. I got those for 3 times. I got this anonymously. I really don't know how did I get this guy. It's true. It's true, guys. I'm not bragging right now. I'm a bit shocked about it. So we're starting back from 2,000 tokens. If I can't get one in Chroma, I am done with Book It. Guys, like, if Ben Stewart makes it so hard just to get a Chroma, why does he even want to make a Chroma? He makes it so hard. Like, it's like 0 point chance. So as you can see, there are 10 blocks here. And basically, if you plus all this together, if you have about 10,000 tokens, that means you're gonna get, I don't know. If they put like 100 tokens, it would be easier to kind of count. If they put like tens, it would be easier, like zero, like 10, 20. 30. If they put like 10 and 100, and they also have to make like the limit, it's 10,000. That should be good. Ben Stewart, if you're watching this, you better do it. But you can't literally just change the price overnight, though. So, but Ben Stewart, if you're watching this, you should do a triple box, like a triple for one. That would be sick. Like a triple Blizzard box, a triple Aquatic box, a triple bot box, I guess. Like maybe like you should also add more boxes, like you should watch Book of Wiki though. You should like there's a guy thinking there's supposed to be a Thanksgiving box, and I think it's actually there should be a Thanksgiving box. Yeah, that's a really good idea. I guess that's a really good idea. So Vincent, if you're watching this, and also watch Book of Wiki, I guess some guy just said go do a Thanksgiving box. I think you should do it. It's a really good idea. It's true. I'm not lying right now. It's all or nothing on the Blizzard box. It's a limited time box. Once I hit 500 tokens, I guess I'll stop. I guess if it's the whole December, I would like to grind till the final day before I go back to the village, and I'll do a gigantic video on it. I'm gonna do a gigantic video on it. I guess I'll get about, I don't know. I'm gonna use a calculator later, and also I'll be doing a little look at wiki survey. So I'll do a little look at wiki survey, guys. Okay, I'm getting closer to 1,000. Okay, let's make this decision. I'm gonna go all out. Is it good? Like, I'm gonna grind tomorrow. I'm gonna grind till I don't know when. I'm just gonna post a video about it. I'm gonna post a video about it, and I'm also gonna do a little forum survey. So, if you guys want more of these videos, if you guys like these videos, just tell me in the comment section, and I'll be there. Like, I'll be doing more of these openings. So thank you guys for watching our opening video. And if you guys like it, have fun. If you guys like it, just click that thumbs up button right there. Not really hard. And also, have fun playing Blookit. And also,